You know what? God's essence is boundless, beyond the grasp of even the greatest intellect. Pride and ego, they create illusion and confusion, but humility and devotion dissolve it. God cannot be conquered by power or anything except pure devotion and surrender. And besides this, remember one thing, let go of pride and embrace humility, and let go of knowing, embrace loving. These are the things which we should learn from this story of Brahma's Vimohana Lila. The same story I read it from Bhagavata, which is, and it was written in Swami Mukundananda's blog so nicely. You know, I already told you in other stories that so many gods were already trapped in Vishnu Maya. This time it was Brahma who was trapped in Vishnu Maya. Like, remember one thing, there is no difference between Vishnu and Krishna. God is only one. He is Krishna, he was Vishnu. By the way, Brahma was in doubt that whether the Krishna, the playful boy who was playing in Vrindavan, was the real Supreme Godhead or not. That too, because of that doubt only, he came to test Lord Krishna, and Krishna knew, as you know, he is the Supreme Lord. So he smiled and he showed his true form. Ultimately, Brahma came to know that yes, Lord Krishna is the Supreme God, and beyond the cosmic power, beyond the time, beyond the space. He himself was the Kala, and he himself was the creator of this universe. Anyways, so Brahma, just to taste the power, the divinity of Lord Krishna, he kidnapped or abducted the cows, the cowherd boys, the calves, everything, and kept them hidden in Sumeru Parvat. When Lord Krishna just created identically duplicate cowherd boys, cows, and calves, and there was no reaction at all. Brahma thought that he must be, Krishna must be in distress. But when he came and he saw him, he understood that he is the Supreme Lord. Thank you so much. Once again, I will meet you with some other stories some other day. So try to understand.